Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a wintry snowflake type of makeup look. I'm going to quick do my foundation routine, and then when I come back to the eyes I will stop and talk to you guys about it. So well, let's get going. So that's my face routine, so simple, quick, good to go. So now I'm going to do my eyes. I just go in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance and just put that all over my lid and also on the bottom lash line, just because we do add a little pop. Well, not pop, but some shadow down there. I have these little shimmery shadows from LA Girl. So I have this one, which is called Frenzy, so it's just a nice purple. I also have Electrify, which is like this coppery red shimmer, and then the shadow that we're going to go in today is called Hollow Glam, and is just this white shimmery. So we're going to put this all over the lid when the time comes. But first I'm going to go in with my Naked Basics palette. You can use any light brown shade. I just go in with Naked 2. As you can tell, I love it. I hit pan and I just put that on the crease. So just in the crease. And also with this shadow, I do put it on the lower lash line. You could use a darker color, whatever you prefer. You could use a pop color, whatever you want. But I'm just going to go in with this color today. Now I'm going to go in with my Hollow Glam NYX, or not NYX, LA Girl, which is this really pretty shimmer. And it's beautiful on the eye and the skin. So I just literally just take my finger and just dab it on. So just like that. It's so pretty. And stop there. You don't have to do this next step, but I'm gonna add a little snowflake to this eye. And it's literally so simple. If I can do it, anyone can do it. I just go in with one of my liners from this Richo. I got it off Amazon, just a bunch of liquid eyeliners, different colors. So I'm just going to go in with the white one. And how I do the snowflake is I go to the outer corner of my eye, make a line here, up and down, and then like connect a few on each line. And that's what I do. Add like a little gem right there. But I have long nails right now and I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick it up, so we'll see. I'm gonna need a new white eyeliner. This one's going. Then I'll add some down below, closer to the where they all connect. Ooh. A little snowflake, and let's see if I can get a gem off. And then just a little gem. I have a feeling it's not gonna stay. So there's that. Real Voluminous Primer eyeshadow, mascara, and then just the mascara. But first, I'm gonna curl my lashes. You can add a snowflake to this eyelash, to this eye. It's totally up to you. I just don't know why. I just think one side is enough and looks good. The primer. And that's the completed eye look. And then I'll just go in with either chapstick or a little gloss. Today I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie in the shade Lipply. So, spray your face and you're good to go. So this is the makeup look. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try out this makeup look, let me know and tag me on Instagram and I can check it out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!